I just took the guy here in Macedonian supermarket inside, and when I was out and waiting for the dumpster, already there was some dumpster, but he came up and gave me some food and asked me if I want more. Amazing, amazing. This is where I sleep. It's behind the hotel, above a parking place. It's not this dark as it seems, because it's in the morning. There is 3 couches here, and 2 are big enough. Free food. Hey. I came back here one day later, but I'm too late. Nobody's here at 5:30. So I need to come back tomorrow again for my clothes. It seems it's not easy to wash your clothes in Gibraltar. So let's start in the Spanish side. It's kind of fast. So what to do if you get in a situation like this? I don't know where that in other places how does it work, but here you just need to push this button. Yeah, that's all. So when I went to look for a boat, I told the others that it's half an hour and I'm going to come back. I came back, but no one is here. Not my backpack. Okay, I found the others in the backpack. I am calm already, but I'm really bored of this situation. Dumpster diving is a great thing, but it's really uncomfortable. It takes time because you need to go there before the place closes. You need to look around what's happening. Maybe it's a good place, maybe it's not a good place enough. And asking food. And the other thing is free food. When they give food for people who need it for free, sometimes complicated, sometimes not enough the food, especially for me. I need a bit more food, and there's a lot of walking. I wake up every day around 10 o'clock and I go back to David's place at 11. It takes a lot of time, I can't do nothing, so I want to wake up every day at 6 o'clock and do something in a day, because I'm really bored of this situation. I really want to move on. and I checked my money. I have a little money around for 10 days. It can be good. Maybe I'm going to dumpster dive, I don't know yet. But I want to do some freelancer job or something, because I want to change the situation, and I'm going to look on couch surfing for some normal place to stay. David must have a really bad day. He just threw me from the place. He just asked me to leave. And he said really bad things, really bad things. Hi Patrick.
Hello.
So you are going to leave tomorrow?
Yes, I leave this place tomorrow after
Nice.
1.5 months.
1.5 months.
Yeah.
And how long did you search for boats?
First one was 4 days.
4 days.
Yes. And second one was just like that, because the boat wrote to me a message.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. And why did you have 2 boats?
The first boat is a long story.
Mm-hmm.
But first we had to wait for delivery.
Mm-hmm.
The delivery was late, some about 1 week.
Mm-hmm.
Then we were installing the system, but
Mm-hmm.
it wasn't compatible with other systems in our boat.
Mm-hmm.
So it was another week to repair that. Next week we were waiting for engine service,
Mm-hmm.
but it's never happened. Then they said, okay, we're going in the next few days.
Mm-hmm.
And 1 day before we wanted to leave this place, Ginny went to hospital, and they said that she has a cancer.
Oh.
So she had to has an operation, and then they were waiting for insurance company
Mm-hmm.
for a decision. And they said, Patrick, we don't know what we will do.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we will go to New Zealand, maybe we will stay here and do everything. Maybe we will sail to Canaries and
Mhm.
from there to New Zealand, or maybe I will go to Canaries and Jenny will go from here to New Zealand.
Mhm.
We don't know what we will do, so it's better for you to look for a new boat.
Mm-hmm.
And in the same day,
Same day.
yes, I received a message
Mm-hmm.
from Capo di Fora that they've heard that I was looking for a boat, and their crew can't be with them, so they just invited me to their boat. And the next day I was talking with them, and I decided, okay, it's a good option for me, because they will take me straight to Caribbean Sea.
Wow, that's really great. What kind of tips would you like to give those people who want to try this, looking for boats?
Be happy. Every time be happy.
Mm-hmm.
Look smart and tidy.
Tidy?
Yeah, tidy hair, clean clothes. Maybe not new shoes, but shoes which are tidy.
Mm-hmm.
What else? If you have an experience, it's important.
Having experience.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I think that's everything.
And if someone doesn't have any experience?
Just everything what I said before, without experience.
Okay. And how should imagine an average person this thing, hitchhiking boats? Just asking everyone, or?
Yeah, I was asking everyone if they can take me.
Mm-hmm.
But I've heard that in Gran Canaria will be 100 or maybe 200 people like me, like you.
Mm-hmm.
And it's better to just stay with a cardboard
Wow.
sign, I'm looking for a boat.
Mm-hmm.
Because when captain is when someone I don't know, 100 person ask someone, it can be just boring for these captains. They don't like it, so it's better to have a sign. Yeah, ready to work every time. It's also important. Fast learning.
All right, Patrick. Thank you very much, and have a good
You're
trip.
welcome. But I do this first time, so so these tips might be not really realistic. And sorry for my English.
No problem. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.